Looking for a great weekly detox? Look no further than this tomato, garlic, and turmeric mixture. It's healthy and helps cleanse and detoxify your body. Today's video will discuss weekly detox with tomato juice, garlic, and turmeric. If you are new to Remedies One channel, please take a moment to subscribe this channel and tap the bell icon so that you will get notified when I publish new videos daily. Get rid of toxins once a week using this medicinal juice based on tomatoes, garlic, and turmeric. These three have excellent benefits for your health and will help you prevent disease naturally. Tomato, garlic, and turmeric juice. This juice is similar to a gazpacho recipe, and you'll be using two very cleansing ingredients that also enhance the flavor, garlic and turmeric. This delicious juice has a strong taste and is very refreshing. Once you try it, you won't want to stop drinking it. Tomatoes. Tomatoes have some surprising benefits for your health. They contain powerful antioxidants that protect you from the internal and external aging processes caused by the effects of free radicals. Tomato juice fights fluid retention. Garlic. Garlic is a medicinal food with all the following benefits. It strengthens the immune system and acts as a natural antibiotic, prevents cardiovascular disease, and lowers cholesterol and triglyceride levels, improves circulation, alleviates respiratory diseases. Turmeric. Turmeric is one of the best medicinal spices thanks to its many potent health benefits. It contains anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties that make it excellent for calming any discomfort or pain. Is a digestive spice that fights gastric acidity, improves liver function, is a great antioxidant. How should you do this detox? Ingredients: 6 or 7 ripe and organic tomatoes, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 cup of water, olive oil, apple cider vinegar, and sea salt. Preparation. To make this cleansing vegetable juice, all you need to do is blend the ingredients well and season it with olive oil, vinegar, and salt. How should you consume it? Drink this juice in several shots spread throughout the day. On an empty stomach, half an hour before breakfast, 20 minutes before lunch, 20 minutes before dinner. Do this cleanse once a week, and on that day try to also eat as healthily as possible to enhance the effects of this juice and eliminate more toxins. How you cleanse and detoxify your body, let me know in our comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.